Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss about adverbs. Before anything else, let me ask you this question. How many parts of speech do you know? How about adverbs? Do you know what is adverbs? Adverbs are used to change or add detail to verbs or adjectives in sentences. Many adverbs end with the letters ly, but there are some adverbs that don't. Adverbs describe how, when, where, and to what extent something happened. Now, for you to be able to understand more about adverbs, let's look at the following example. Let's read the sentence. He clapped loudly. The underlined word loudly is the adverb. Let's read the explanation. Loudly modifies the word clapped, showing how the subject clapped. Let's read another example. I went to the store today. The underlined word today is the adverb. Now, let's read the explanation. Today modifies the verb went, showing when something happened. This time, we're going to have the quiz time for you to be able to know if you understand our topic for today about adverb. First, let's read the directions. Find the adverb in the given sentence. First, let's read the sentence. Number 1. The small turtle walked slowly to the pond. Let's find the adverb. The answer is slowly. Correct. Number 2. Yesterday, Alice played at the park with her friend. Let's find the adverb. Awesome! The answer is yesterday. Number 3. She danced gracefully. Let's find the adverb. If your answer is gracefully, then you're right. Number 4. Ashley quickly ran after her. Let's find the adverb. Very good. The correct answer is quickly. And number 5, today I will go to the park. Let's find the adverb. If your answer is today, then you're great. There you go, everyone. I hope that you learned a lot about our topic for today. It's about adverbs.
Thank you for watching. This is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.